Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial of the Vue 3. Today we are going to learn about the V4 used for the looping an array and render the elements. Those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please to subscribe my channel, and if you like the video, please to like, share and comment on my video. So let's get started. So we have the V4, that means used for loop through the array of elements and render the elements. So whenever you have a requirement, right, we have the array of objects, right? Here you can see we have the array of objects you want to render into your Vue component or the Vue template file. So how you can render? We can use V4, right, for looping and elements. Okay, so here we have the items. You can see that we have the array of objects items. I want to render into our template, so I'm using V for loop. Just copy and paste and see the magic. Copy, just add it over here, paste and see item 1, item 2 and item 3, right? So here we have the item 1, item 2, and here you can see that we have a ULLI where we are adding V4 for items, item in the item. So this is items, right? So items in items. So here we have the key is that should be unique, that is id, item dot id. Every key should be unique. Okay, then we are adding only key. So here we are just showing name, and if you want to show the id also, you can just copy this and make it like this. Copy and just add it over here with the space and make it id also. Okay, so here we go with the id also. 1 2 3, item 1, item 2 and item 3, right? So this is how we can use the v for loop into your Vue 3 applications. Any doubt, any query, do let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video, and don't forget to like, share and comment on my video. Have a nice day.